If you can see, this patch is looking so real that anyone can't tell whether it is a hair patch or it's my natural hair. Hi, myself Neerav Julka. So I was suffering from the hair loss illusion since last 10 years. One of my friends suggested me to visit DHI. So they suggested me non-surgical solution of hair patch. And this hair patch has given me a new look. It has made me look 10 years younger than what I am. Anyone who comes to DHI for the hair loss treatment, here the team is really helpful.